Hey, Michelle, this is Kyle Cronk, and as you know, I am the president and CEO of the South Sound YMCA in Olympia, Washington. You also know that I'm a big believer in leadership, and leadership is about people. If you hang around me long enough, you hear me say that all the time. My people get sick of it. Without exceptional people skills, you know as good as anybody else that you're going to end up spinning your wheels to achieve the critical results in communication desperately needed. L.E.T, Leader Effectiveness Training, suggests a course of action and a set of skills and principles that improve our people skills. Everyone wants to be listened to. Everyone wants to be heard. Everyone wants to be seen. Everyone wants to work through conflict while maintaining relationships, for sure. We don't want to throw anyone away. Understanding how to preserve relationships, in fact, strengthening them, is the process of enduring where everybody wins, making sure that everybody wins is kind of the foundation for productive and meaningful work. And L.E.T helps new and seasoned staff, leadership staff, supervisory staff, management staff make that deeper connection, make them better listeners, and provide the confidence to productively work through conflict and really maintain just a great working culture. So there you go. I'm a big fan of L.E.T. Thanks. Have a great day.